Introducing the F-35 Lightning II, America's fifth-generation stealth fighter. Nicknamed the Flying Computer, packed with advanced sensors and fully integrated combat systems. It can fly supersonic, evade radar, and even share real-time data with other aircraft. There are three versions: the F-35A for the Air Force, F-35B with vertical takeoff, and F-35C for aircraft carriers. With a program cost of over $1 trillion, many call it the most expensive yet most advanced fighter jet in the world. But here's the question: is the F-35 truly the best fighter jet ever?